It's really hot outside today, but anyway, hello and welcome to this elaboration part of the lesson where I elaborate on different aspects of this song that I will teach. And this is a thing that I add into the video as an experiment to see if you think it's worth it or not. So please comment on that below if you think I should keep it. So this song essentially consists of these three chords. But you can notice that towards the end of the chorus, like I call it, I don't know if that's exactly correct, but anyway, towards the end of that part, you know that he throws in these two chords, the A flat and B flat. And especially in the outro, he throws in these two chords a lot, and it can be easy to overlook that. So my advice is that you listen closely for this in the original song, so you don't miss out on it. And you know, I should also point out, if you're more of a beginner, what technique he's using there in the beginning, which is, you know, palm muting, where you rest your palm on the bridge in order to get these muted notes. So you want to find that spot, so not too far off, so you get open strings, but not too far up either. So you want to find that sweet spot, you know. And I don't think you have to be super picky about getting it perfectly muted, because in the original song you can sometimes hear the B string not being perfectly muted, so something like this. And lastly we get to the strumming pattern, which only consists of down strums actually. So for the C minor chord, the pattern is this. So you can notice that there are two times there where you do down strums where you don't actually hit the strings. So instead of hitting the strings on every down strum like this, you get like that. And I really advise you to do those ghost strums. So essentially you just keep a steady pace with the right hand up and down and just hit the strings when you need to. And I really recommend that you actually do those ghost strums so you keep a steady rhythm with the right hand and only hit the strings when you need to. So don't do like this, because then it will feel really unnatural when you play. So slowly. It becomes like that. And faster. And faster. So you get it like that. And then for the D sharp minor chord, but notice again that you do a ghost down strum in between those two. So you don't do, but like that. So everything together slowly becomes again. And when we get to the A flat and B flat chords, we do the same strumming pattern as we did on the C minor chord. So same thing. And I should also add that I simplified the strumming pattern a little bit, because in the original song you can hear that John sometimes do this muted down up strums when he switches the chords, but you don't do that all the time if I remember correctly. So maybe play something like this. So just to practice, I will play that slowly and add those muted down and up strums in between every chord. So here we go. Again. Last time. Right, so that is the song, and now I'm melting away. I actually need to turn on the AC again. I didn't want to have it on because it's so loud, which you will hear in a couple of seconds. But anyway, leave a like on this video for the algorithm. Yeah, that is how it would have sounded if I had it on. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one.